channel. Today, you guys, we're going to be making a chicken Philly cheesesteak. So to start, you're going to need onions, green peppers. I have tomatoes, lettuce, some avocado here. And I have these rolls. Oh my goodness, these are baguettes, but they're soft. I think these are called brioche. I want to make sure I'm saying it right, but if I'm not, please forgive me. If so, y'all can't tell me because I can't hear you anyway, but let me know in the comments. I have some cheese slices here, some pepper, some garlic and herb, some Old Bay, and some Himalayan salt, some parsley for color, and then I have my chicken breast here that I'm going to show you guys how I shred it up. Okay, my creators, let's get it. Hey guys, so how y'all doing? I hope you guys are doing great today. I am doing fantastic. I had a lot of catering to do today. I am done, thank the Lord. And now it is super late and I have to work in the morning, 1 a.m. to be exact. And I am having to cook dinner. So here we go. I am going to show you how to thinly slice this chicken breast, okay? So you want it to kind of be this thin, like really thin, okay? And this is for your chicken cheesesteaks, all right? You want them to be nice and thin like that, okay? This is a very simple meal. It's probably going to be a very quick video, which is great because I was just going to, you know, cook these up, but then I was like, no, let me show my creators how I do this because I know you guys love to see what I have coming, and I appreciate you guys for wanting me to come in and show you guys what I'm doing in this kitchen. If you guys would like to see what I do for my catering business as far as in meal preps and stuff like that, comment down below and let me know, okay? Also, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Tish and I get it in the kitchen, baby, okay? And I would love for you guys to stick around to see what we have coming out next, okay? I appreciate my returning creators. You guys are such a blessing to me. I love your comments and your positivity. I really do. And I appreciate everyone. I can't talk. See, it's late. I appreciate every single one of you guys, okay? Just know that. That's for sure. Okay. So I'm getting a little too thick there. Again, make it thin, okay? Thin, thin, thin. So I'm just going to do this one chicken breast with you guys. And then I have a couple of other chicken breasts that I'm going to do. But I won't bore you with that, okay? So this is a great, as you guys can see and tell from my videos, I love giving y'all chicken videos, different ways that I do my chicken. Feel free to comment down below and tell me what you want me to make next in the kitchen, y'all. Winter is coming, fall is coming first. I'm so excited. That means soup and comfort food, y'all. I got all of my materials to do my kitchen. Oh, not my kitchen. What am I talking about? To do my living room over. Oh, God, I am so excited. So excited. This is like amazing to me. Like, I love decor, and I just did my best friend's kitchen. Why do I keep saying kitchen? What's wrong with me? I just did my best friend's bathroom. I just redid it for $40, y'all. $40. I revamped her bathroom, and it looks so precious. Yes, I went to the Dollar Tree. That's my store. That is my store. I went to the Dollar Tree, and I got everything for her bathroom, and it looks so nice, y'all. It looks so, so nice. And she loves it. So if you guys would like to see that, I have video clips as well. So just let me know and I'll drop that. Okay? So I'm going to finish this chicken here and then we're going to come back, sear it up, and put it together. I'm going to drop in my onions and my green peppers. And you guys can use, you know, make it your own. You can use any type of vegetables you want for your chicken cheesesteaks. I just literally want to show you guys how easy it is to make stuff like this on your own. And You don't have to go to the restaurant for this kind of stuff, you know. Give yourself 15 minutes or so, and you have leftovers, you know. Yes, you can go out, you know, every now and again or whatever, or if that's just your type, to go out and you want people to cook for you, that's cool. But I love showing my people how easy it is to seriously do it at home by yourself. Okay? It's nothing that you can't do in this kitchen. Nothing that I'm showing you that you can't do. Put it that way. Okay? I'm so glad I slept in today, y'all. I slept in and I needed it because I go so hard with my catering and my YouTube and my my regular job, and then I have school coming up on the 27th. So on top of being the super mom, woo! I pride myself on being the super mom, you guys. My son comes first and foremost before anything. But I just want you guys to hear me real quick as far as in YouTube videos. I want to talk about this because I had thought about it earlier today, and I was like, you know, I feel like some people, we get in the habit of comparing your channel to another person's channel, and I just want to talk to you guys just for a brief second on that. You know, what's for you is for you, and what's for the next person is for the next person. There are tons of people in this world. Oh, and guys, I'm sorry, I coated my pan with avocado oil. I use avocado oil with everything almost. Okay, so when it comes to YouTube, everyone has their pace. When it comes to life, everyone has their pace. And I just want you guys to know that if you see somebody else's page or YouTube platform, you know, growing before yours, don't get discouraged. Keep going, because at the end of the day, you know, you have to play around and see what works for you or whatever the case may be. But a lot of people can give you suggestions. They can give you props on what to do. But in the end, what's going to bring people to your channel is your spirit, as well as your content and what you're doing. Okay? And slow and steady wins the race. You know, I've said that 1,000,001 times in my YouTube videos. So you really have to believe that. You know, slow and steady really wins the race. And of course, you have to stay consistent. I'm adding in my chicken, y'all. I am not going to put in any more seasoning, or maybe I just might put in a little bit, because I seasoned my fajitas really well. Okay. But as far as in like being able to see what other people's channel is looking like or whatever the case may be, that's fine. You can look and be like, oh man, this person is really soaring, you know. But you have to stay true to yourself. You have to continue to know that what you're doing is going to pay off. You know, you have to I added in some pepper, y'all, and a little bit over. I see my spice pretty much went down when I put in my chicken. Okay, but you have to really know your place and know your lane. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, at the end of the day, you have to know that your channel is going to go at the rate that it's supposed to go at, not at the next person's rate or whatever the case may be. And you have to stay firm and true to yourself. Like, that's the biggest thing. Staying firm and true to yourself. You're going to have people come to your channel and say, oh, well, maybe you should do this, maybe you should do that. But at the end of the day, is that really being you? You know, is that really being you? You don't want your channel to be all over the place and people can't understand, you know, what it is that you're putting out or what is it that you do. Maybe you do a little bit of everything. That's great. But at the end of the day, whatever you're doing, believe in it. Believe in it, stand by it, and know that this is what you do, and no one can take that from you, you know? And I heard someone say this. Ooh, this is a big piece right here. I got to get that. But I heard someone say this a couple of, what was it, maybe a couple of weeks ago. They were just saying how, who said this? I want to make sure I say it right. I think it was Jessica Just Do It on a Dime. Just Do It on a Dime. I believe it was her. If not, I'm sorry. But if you guys have not went to go check her out, going to check her out, check her out. I love Jessica so much. She is such a wonderful, bright person. She does home decor. You know, she gives you positive affirmations. But that's what I like. You know, she started her YouTube, what was it, 7 years ago? I think it was 7 years ago. She started her YouTube and she just hit 1 million subscribers. As opposed to someone who started their YouTube last month, and I seen them really soar up to 1 million subscribers. And I'm like, what the heck? You know, and at that moment, I did not compare myself to them because I was just like, oh, well, you know, it's just what they're doing, the content that they're doing. And, you know, they win certain genres over. You guys know that the millennials now, the children, they rule the internet, okay? I have a 3-year-old, he knows how to work the phone better than me, okay? So at the end of the day, you have to do what engages in to that crowd. But at the end of the day, it's like, you know, what Jessica does that I love so much is she believes in her craft. And she knows that her channel is worthy. She knows that she is going to do what it is that the Lord puts on her heart to put out on her channel. And I just love that about her. But long story short, you know, everyone is different. Everyone's pace is different. So just continue to believe in yourself and know that your channel is worthy and it will grow. You know, just keep going, y'all. Keep going. Don't stop. Y'all know I say that every video, okay? All right, so this chicken is looking nice, smelling nice. I'm going to give it about a couple of more minutes, and then that's literally it, you guys. Very easy, quick meal. It is super late here at night. I am going to get dinner on the table soon, but this is pretty much it. We're going to come back. I'm going to toast my bread. I'll do that with you. Toast my bread with you. And then we're going to put it all together. Stay tuned, my creators. Some people have seen this method. Some people have not. I'm going to use some mayonnaise to toast my bread. Okay? So what you do is you just put some mayonnaise right on that slice and put it down on there. And I have it on a medium heat. Now you guys know that mayo is basically egg whites. If you didn't know that, now you know. It's more of a, you know, just a whipped up egg white. Okay? So we're going to put that down here. And we're just going to leave it down there for just a few moments. And then I'm going to show y'all how beautifully toasted it gets. Okay? Literally, I'm going to leave this here just for a few seconds. Okay? So, of course, don't be plucking around in it with your hands like I am, unless you don't have really, like, sensitive hands. Okay? So, see how this toasted right there? And then this one, let's see. Nice and toasted. Okay? So let's go ahead and build this thing up. So I have my wax paper down. And I'm just being extra, you guys. Okay? And I have a different bun because the other bun was kind of toasted. And I'm making this one with my husband. So he likes a lot of mayonnaise. And then I'm going to put down tomato. Okay. And put it down in any form you want to. It doesn't matter. Probably should have put my lettuce first, but you guys, that's okay. And I'm gonna put my cheese down so it can melt with my hot chicken that I'm gonna put on here. The fajitas, okay? Yes, that is looking amazing right there. Loving the look of that, okay? So that'll melt right on down. Then I have some avocado that I'm just gonna put in there. Put it in there. And then, let's see. We're gonna close it up. Well, we're gonna try to close it up. Let's see. I'm try to close it up. Alright, alright. Doing good. Now if it falls out, y'all know what to do. Stick it back up in there. And then I am just using this wax paper just to easily put everything together. You guys don't have to do this, but I wanted everything to be nice and tight in there. See how it's nice and wrapped up? Then wipe my knife off. Okay. I'm gonna slice it right in the middle here. And then let's see. Ooh, look at that! Look at that, y'all. That looks so good. Yes. Okay, my creators, and here we have it, a chicken there we go again, can't talk. A chicken Philly cheesesteak. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, you guys. You won't be disappointed in this recipe. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, my creators, be blessed.